What do we hear? It's pretty interesting. Oh, Ward's signature. Oh, I wonder what this could be. Oh, look at what we have here. It's one of those Deluxe Ward signature made by Hunter box fans. This is a super deluxe automatic electrically reversible 20-inch box fan. Actually a 24-inch cabinet. As you can see, it's a 3-speed electrically reversible with a thermostat. Kind of always wanted one of these super deluxe Hunter/Ward box fans. Kind of almost similar to what Harley Badger has, except this is a standard 3-speed, still electrically reversible. I mean, it's not the solid state speed control like he has. Unlike his fan, this fan actually came with this egg crate grill, whereas his originally had a metal grill, but he made a grill like the egg crate grill on his, however the story goes. So anyway, so I'd show this off. As you can see, it's got these metal discs on each corner, except for the top left. That's because chunks were missing out of each corner where the screws go. However, they still add that piece of the grill, or those sections of the grill where the holes screw in. Some odd reason I still kept those. This corner I had to use two of these discs because the big one is the only one large enough to cover that corner, but I still had to use a small disc in order to put the screw through because the hole in the big one's too big for the screw to go through. So, and you just have the regular size ones on the tube below. And this is the only section of the grill that didn't get busted out. And this, of course, is not the original handle. I don't know what kind of handle this is. Probably just some kind of metal handle. And we'll have a look at this one fired up. Also, thing had a bad plug on there. When I got it, there was like electrical tape on the upper end of the cord in the plug. When I showed pictures of it on Facebook, and my stepdad saw the plug and decided it wasn't too safe to use, so my uncle put this plug on there. So here's the one side, just like my other Ward signatures, that wood grain finish or color, or whatever you want to call it. Other side. Seems to have a bit of scratches here and there. And the cord comes out the bottom left of this side. Turn it around. It's got the same style metal back grill as the other Ward signature box fan and that Hunter branded one that I have. Again, we have the good old Hunter / R&M motor. Here's the top of the fan, the big metal handle. I think it had one of those big plastic handles. They'd screw into here and here. It's probably a screen door handle or something like that. Anyway, there's that. Now we'll run this thing. Start on forwards or in or intake. Like all these Hunter sub-wing box fans, it throws out tremendous air, especially if they have the Venturi ring. Reason there's like hardly any difference between the high and the medium speeds. It's probably what high would normally be on these fans. And high is probably like super high, now down to low. Which seems to be like what medium normally is on these fans. Go back to high. Turn it off. And after it stops, we'll go out the other direction. And now we'll go reverse, or out, or exhaust, or whatever we want to call it. You know, this thing really does sound different with the blades going the other direction. I think it truly is, as Harley would call it, I mean the sound it makes on reverse, I think it truly is, as Harley Badger would call it, a ferocious, air buffeting noise. So here is out or exhaust. Medium. Again, no hardly any difference between medium and high. Low. Now we'll demo the thermal. There doesn't seem to be any arm on the dial to get positions. Just turn it and clicks on. Click it back on. High. And as always, OFF spells on. And there you have it. It's my Ward signature unknown model number. Not very much in model stickers left. Automatic, electrically reversible with thermostat. 24-inch box fan, still with a 20-inch blade. So there you have it. Thank you for watching.